Right now, people are quietly making 10 to 80 grand a month using simple AI setups. No coding, no crazy skills. These didn't exist a couple years ago. I'll show what they are, how they actually work, and which ones are worth your time, and which aren't. The 5. Choose one. AI videos. The 5th business is these Choose One AI videos you've probably already seen 100 times. It's where you show people 2 or 3 options on screen. Beds, houses, staircases, rooms. And you ask one simple question. Which one would you choose? That's the entire video. No explanation, no story, nothing extra. The reason this works so well is because it matches how people scroll. Nobody wants to think. Nobody wants to listen. But everyone wants to give an opinion. Typing 2 or blue one takes 1 second, and that comment tells the algorithm the video is interesting. More comments mean more reach, and more reach means more views. Money comes from the platforms themselves. On TikTok, creators can earn through the Creative Rewards program as long as the video is over a minute and they meet the requirements. Depending on the views, some of these videos make a few $100s, and some make 5 figures. On YouTube, the same content works as longer compilations and earns through normal ad revenue. Making them is fast. You come up with a concept, generate a few AI images, animate them slightly, add text like choose one, and drop in music. No camera, no voice, no face. Once you've done a few, you can make multiple videos in a day. The downside is that it's hit or miss. Some videos die instantly, and monetization depends on platform rules you don't control. But the upside is scale. You can test ideas fast, upload a lot, and let the algorithm decide what works. Number 4. AI print on demand. The 4th business is AI print on demand, and it's one of the simplest ways to start selling online without holding any inventory. Basically, you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or other products, and a third-party service prints and ships them whenever someone buys. You never touch the product yourself. You just focus on creating and listing designs. Trends are what make this work. Some designs go viral because they tap into what people are already searching for or sharing on social media. For example, a simple meme t-shirt or a niche sports design can sell thousands of copies in a month if it hits the right audience. The key is spotting trends early and putting your own spin on them with AI-generated graphics. The process is straightforward. First, you find a trending style or theme. Then, you use AI to generate your own designs, tweak them to look unique, and turn them into print-ready files. After that, you upload them to a marketplace like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay, and link them to print-on-demand services like Printify or Printful. Every time a customer buys, the service prints, packages, and ships the item, and you keep the difference between your selling price and the production cost. Traffic usually comes from the marketplaces themselves at first, but you can also promote your products on social media, Pinterest, or TikTok. For beginners, it's appealing because it's low risk, low cost, and repeatable. You can test dozens of designs without worrying about inventory, and AI makes it faster to create and iterate. Over time, you can scale by spotting new trends and building a library of products that sell passively. The 3. Niche AI novels. The 3rd business is niche AI novels, and it's surprisingly profitable if you know your audience. Instead of writing a general book that tries to appeal to everyone, you focus on a very specific niche, like romance stories for hockey fans, mystery novels set in tiny towns, or sci-fi adventures about underwater explorers. These hyper-specific topics attract a small but passionate audience, and that's enough to sell consistently. Before AI, creating a book like this would take months of writing, editing, and formatting. Now, AI can help you speed up almost every part of the process. You can brainstorm ideas, outline chapters, and even write drafts quickly. You still need to guide the AI, check for quality, and add your own voice, but what used to take months can now be done in a matter of days. Once your book is ready, you can self-publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The beauty is that you don't need a big following or a marketing team. People find your book because it shows up in the right niche searches. Some hyper-niche books sell hundreds of copies a day, which can add up to thousands of dollars a month. That's UGC AI Influencers. The second business is UGC AI Influencers, which basically means creating short videos that look like real people using or promoting products. But the people are completely AI-generated. Think of it like those casual product videos you see on TikTok or Instagram, where someone is showing off a gadget, a decoration, or even a seasonal item. Instead of filming yourself or hiring actors, AI lets you create the visuals in minutes. These videos go viral because they feel authentic. People are used to seeing UGC, or user-generated content, and it performs better than traditional ads because viewers trust it more. That trust translates into sales. Some creators make thousands of dollars in just a couple of weeks by linking products in TikTok shops or running small Shopify stores with drop-shipped items. The workflow is surprisingly simple. You start by generating an AI image of someone holding or using your product. Then you animate the image slightly to make it look like a short video. Add captions or text and upload it. Number 1. AI Language Podcasts. The first business is AI Language Podcasts, and it's a surprisingly simple way to make money while helping people learn a new language. The idea is to create conversational lessons, usually in English or another popular language, and upload them to YouTube as podcasts. People love them because they can listen while cooking, commuting, or just relaxing. What makes this possible now is AI. You don't need a studio, a microphone, or a professional host. AI can generate the script, produce the voiceover, and even sound natural and friendly. One channel I looked at was just a few months old and already getting millions of views every month. That kind of attention translates into significant ad revenue once you hit YouTube's monetization requirements. Creating these podcasts is straightforward. You start by having AI write a conversational lesson script, then use a text-to-speech tool to generate the audio. You can even create an AI image to serve as your podcast host's visual for the video. From there, you put the audio and image together in a simple video editor. Plus, people keep coming back for new content, so your library grows, and so does your passive income. For anyone who likes the idea of teaching or creating educational content without showing their face, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. Those are the 5 AI businesses you can start in 2026. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and I'll share more practical ways to make money online.